Today we're going to learn how to play Time to Climb. Time to Climb is a really fun game. And so what we're going to get to do is you're going to get to choose your avatar. You're going to have to choose quickly. To choose your avatar, you're going to click on one of these characters. There are some more choices over here. This is not the time to spend 30 minutes choosing though, because the games are going to start quicker. So I am going to be the panda. When I've chosen my avatar, I'm going to click Start. And a timer is going to go off. I'm going to listen to the question or read it. How could you help calm down? And I'm going to choose the picture. If I choose the correct picture, it's going to show me nice job and help me move up. The faster I answer, the more points I get. If I choose the incorrect picture, my character is going to is not going to have as many points. When I'm done with questions, it's going to tell me how I did. And it's going to show me the rankings.